Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to utilize the if function. I'm going to show you how to use it based upon given conditions. So the if function is more or less a true-false statement. So the condition is if our salespeople have a $50,000 sales target, and what you want to do is you want to give them a 15% bonus if they've met their sales target. Okay, so we're going to start our timer and let's begin. So in cell D8, okay, I'm going to left click my mouse and I'm going to find the if function. Now the if function, you can come across the top. It's in your formula tab, and you can left click and you can click insert function, and it's going to open up just like this. The other way to do it is if you just left click this little FX that's to the left of your formula bar, it brings up the same box. So a lot of times I just utilize that. I can type in the word if here, click go. I can click the down arrow and click all, and if I click all, it'll bring it up alphabetically. But in this case, the if function pops up and it says checks whether or not a condition is met and returns a true or false statement. So I really like the fact that when you select it, it also gives you, a little blurb about it there, a little bit of information about it. So I'm going to click OK there, and we're going to put in the logical test. The logical test is if C8 is greater than $A, $4. Okay? All right? And so then we're going to multiply C8, okay, by $A, $3. And if not, we're going to say no. All right? So we're going to say no in the people that don't get a bonus. So that's going to show up, and there's the 3 people that get the bonus. There are 3 people that don't get the bonus. Now the other way to do this is if I came up to my formula bar and I backed this guy out and just left it quote in there, and then pressed enter on my keyboard, and then when I drag my fill handle down, you see that it removes the nose in the box. So if you just put quote instead of the formula, okay, and I'm going to left click and show you what it says, just quote here. That's the way to put nothing in that box. When I click on it, there you go. So I promised you how to do if formulas in 3 minutes, and I've done it under that. You enjoyed this lesson, and thank you for your time. And if you like what I have to say, please subscribe. And in the comments section, also, let me know what you'd like me to show you. Okay? Thanks. Bye.